So look around and say, who do I partner with? I'm getting this deal, but who do I partner with? Tina Gaban KZN and the country. We believe we cooperative economics, which means we should benefit sonke together, because together we are stronger.
So the theme for this year, it's IP and music, feel the beat. So basically what we are trying to harness, it's the IP or intellectual property that emanates from the Faculty of Humanities.
My particular presentation, I was looking at how AI, we have to look at the pros and the cons of using AI, and ultimately the take-home message is we have to find an equitable relationship between the human and AI so that there's some kind of a partnership in the co-creation.
I'm here as a participant in the sense that I belong in the creative world as a visual artist, as a writer, as a composer as well. And I also belong into the performing world. I perform poetry, I perform stories as an actor, and I perform music, and I'm a dancer as well.
Inhlonipho ibaluleke kakhulu. Inhlonipho iyona ebaluleke nje kakhulu. Ungaba talented, ube good, kodwa inhlonipho mayingekho, usho ukuthi into yakho nje izomane ingafika indawo, ngeke ifike la uyakhona. Okunye lokho ke kubaluleke kakhulu engiye ngabatshela khona. Nanokuthi ke ngiye ngababonisa futhi nanokuthi izitayela zokudlala umaskandi ihlukene kanjani. Umaskandi ke ngenhlanhla umaskandi uhlukene ngezigodi eziningi. Kukhona isibhaca, kukhona isimpondo, kukhona isikhuze lesophu zekhemesi, kukhona isigenyane, kukhona isichunu, umaskandi kukhona ushameni, uhlukene kaningi umaskandi.
We are hoping that after today, a lot of people will come out with knowledge, and most importantly, they'll apply that knowledge in their businesses and also start making money as well. So today is a very important day, and we are hoping that the benefits will be very clear in the next year when we gather again.
I can write up to 55 chapters in just 1 week of my writing. I've learned as a writer, I'm a person who just published my works through internets like Facebook or Webpad without actually acknowledging that some people might take my stuff and use it their own voice, and maybe I will not even get opportunity to take back my work because maybe those people can have a higher power than me, so they can claim that thing as theirs,
So it's very important for you to protect your work, even if you're thinking you're not gonna make much money out of your work, but it's very important because it's courtesy. You might do something today thinking, which I'm just doing it for me doing it today, but in the long run, that work, you see someone else being used by someone else, and then you start saying, so it's very important for you at the goal to protect your IP so you don't have those challenges.
We have just finished performing, and basically we are the University of Zululand Choir, which is made of just the students of University of Zululand, and we sing different types of genres. So we siyacula isicathamiya, itibili, ihlabo, but we're also a choral choir, so we sing hymns and everything along those lines. So stay tuned.
The three things that I'm looking at here is to impact. We have to impact our young people to understand that they are born with gifts, and those gifts need to be appreciated accordingly.
IP is very important, more especially when it comes to music, because we are the creators and we make money from selling the creation. So if you own your creation, it is then easier for you to even make more money. So it's very important for artists and musicians to understand the concept of IP and also the concept of owning the IP. There are certain times where you might be tempted to sell the IP on whatever basis, but we always recommend that people own their IP because that's where you make money.
I think the day went well because KwaZulu-Natal was able to bring stakeholders who are relevant in the creative industry. Hence, the theme this year is around IP and music. So I guess we met the expectations of our stakeholders today. We explained intellectual property. We also explained how music can be treated as business.